Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining us today. We are excited to delve into Google Cloud Managed Lustre, a fully managed parallel file system that we believe is a major leap forward for AI cloud infrastructure. This service, which we officially announced at Google Cloud Next 2025, is designed to supercharge AI/ML high-performance computing workloads. At its core, Managed Lustre aims to address the growing complexity and dynamic nature of AI workloads, which are often characterized by bursty I/O, distributed pipelines, and frequent checkpointing. Legacy storage solutions often struggle to meet these demands at scale. Lustre, an open source parallel file system, has historically provided the necessary throughput to keep GPUs fed, which is crucial for training foundational models, running large-scale inference, and simulating real-world systems where performance and agility are paramount. Data needs to move faster than ever, and cloud storage must now deliver the low-latency, high-speed access traditionally found only in on-prem supercomputing environments. Our new Managed Lustre service provisions a POSIX-compliant file system that's optimized for these demanding AI workloads. It offers impressive specifications including sub-millisecond latency, millions of IOPS, and read throughput of up to 1 terabytes per second. This enables high throughput pipeline for critical tasks like multi-epoch large language model training, real-time fraud detection, and molecular simulations. It's a persistent storage offering deployed and co-located with compute to optimize performance and ensure the best possible latency. It also supports 4 performance tiers, with pricing starting at 14.5 cents per gigabyte per month and up to 8 petabytes of storage capacity. Now, to discuss the foundation of this innovation and the strong collaboration that made it possible, I would like to hand it over to Samit Agarwal, Vice President and GM of Storage at Google, and Sven, CTO of DDN.
Thanks, Asad. It's a pleasure to be here. This partnership with DDN is truly a product of our joint commitment to simplifying large-scale AI and HPC workloads in the cloud. Google Cloud has created Google Cloud Managed Lustre, and we explicitly chose DDN Exascaler to power it because it's the industry-leading high-performance Lustre distribution. This ensures users benefit from unmatched throughput, low latency, and proven scalability tailored for demanding AI and HPC workloads.
And it's great to be here, Samit. Our collaboration with Google Cloud has been progressive and ongoing for over 5 years now. DDN has been the primary driver of Lustre innovation and deployment for the past 2 decades. We've worked with the largest AI and HPC environments globally to deliver unmatched file system performance, and our customers like NVIDIA rely on DDN Exascaler to accelerate time to insight across various industries. It's the industry's fastest Lustre distribution deployed at scale to support workloads requiring multiple terabytes per second throughput and lightning fast checkpointing.
Absolutely, Sven. Google Cloud and DDN are both trusted leaders in performance-centric storage and elastic computing infrastructure. By building on Lustre's deep heritage in high-performance computing, we are providing a better together solution that is uniquely suited for enterprise demands around speed, scalability, and cost efficiency. This fully managed service from Google Cloud is fully supported by both Google and DDN, ensuring a robust and reliable experience for our customers.
Indeed, the beauty of this partnership is how it brings our on-prem expertise to the cloud. Historically, while Lustre is incredibly powerful, it hasn't been the easiest to manage. Our collaboration with Google Cloud abstracts that complexity away, offering a truly enterprise-grade solution that's now available directly from the Google Cloud console. As Lustre's primary development force, DDN ensures consistency, security, and performance across both on-prem and cloud deployments, giving our customers a clear path to hybrid AI without sacrificing efficiency.
And that's a crucial point, Sven. We want to make it easy for customers to bring their existing workloads from on-premises to the cloud without needing to re-architect anything. Managed Lustre is designed to be cloud native, optimized, and elastic. It seamlessly integrates with key Google Cloud services like GKE, Google Kubernetes Engine, Google Compute Engine, and cloud storage.
Yes, exactly. The benefits are clear. Customers gain the same high performance capabilities traditionally reserved for on-prem HPC systems, but now with the flexibility and scalability of the cloud. This includes optimized support for large-scale file operations, concurrent data access, and AI-specific workflows like checkpointing and data staging. For organizations already using DDN Exascaler or planning hybrid cloud strategies, Managed Lustre adds an accessible new layer to scale AI and HPC workloads beyond on-prem infrastructure.
And this isn't just about technical capabilities, it's about business outcomes. This game-changing solution dramatically reduces time to market for AI initiatives, cuts the infrastructure management cost by up to 40%, and allows organizations to deploy production AI applications in weeks rather than months. That should deliver measurable ROI and competitive advantage. It's now globally accessible in multiple Google Cloud regions and will soon expand across Google Cloud regions by July 2025.
Yeah, we're very excited about how this partnership delivers an end-to-end data intelligence platform, bringing together high-performance training, scalable inference, and real-time analytics under one intelligent data fabric. Whether you're moving AI workloads to the cloud, extending burst capacity, or architecting for hybrid AI infrastructure, this combination of DDN file system expertise and Google Cloud elasticity give you the tools to go further, faster.
Thank you very much, Sven. Now over to Asad and Santosh to talk about how this translates into real-world customer scenarios.
Thanks, Amit. This is where the power of Google Cloud Managed Lustre really comes into focus. We are seeing incredible traction across various industries because the solution directly addresses their most pressing data challenges for AI and HPC.
That's right, Asad. Lustre has long been the standard for organization with extreme I/O demands, ranging from government labs to life sciences and AI model training. With Managed Lustre, we're democratizing the power for a wider range of industries and even smaller scale customers by making it easy to use and manage.
Let's look at some key examples. In AI, ML, and research organizations like NVIDIA are leveraging this for elastic infrastructure, enabling scalable model training and data exploration. Managed Lustre is specifically optimized for AI, ML workloads, providing petabyte-scale data service that delivers sub-millisecond latency, supporting millions of IOPS and terabytes per second of throughput to accelerate AI, ML, and HPC workloads. This means GPUs and TPUs can be kept fully utilized, minimizing the idle time and speeding up time to insight. Let's hear from NVIDIA themselves about what benefits they see coming from the Managed Lustre service.
Not everyone realizes is that NVIDIA not only produces AI factories, but we're a huge internal user of AI. We have multiple AI factories, a tremendous amount of storage powering all of that. What we care about is buying a proven solution that we know is going to deliver the performance we need. For 8 years now, we've used DDN. By working with DDN and building our internal clusters, we really have the ability to understand every level of the stack. It's not enough just to understand the storage, to understand the software, to understand the chips. You really need to run it end to end to understand what all the bottlenecks are. Being able to collaborate with DDN early in the design phase of our products, and then to build them out at scale before we ever ship them to a customer, and turn that into a blueprint, which lets any enterprise in the world to get that blueprint from NVIDIA to recreate that exact solution and know the minute they turn it on in their data center, it's going to run just as good as the solutions that NVIDIA's engineers are using day in and day out. When you absolutely need to meet performance goals and you want to make sure your solution is going to scale to any number of GPUs, DDN is really the undisputed leader in that space.
Exactly. In financial services, firm needs fast, parallel data access for quantitative modeling, risk analysis, and backtesting. Managed Lustre provides the high throughput and low latency necessary for these data intensive workloads, accelerating risk assessments and market prediction by processing vast financial data sets.
Yeah, that's right. And Santosh, in the energy sector, large scale energy exploration use cases leverage high performance storage provided by Managed Lustre. For example, in seismic processing, it handles massive data volumes with the extreme I/O performance needed for complex simulations.
That's right, Asad. Beyond that, in broader enterprise and industry application such as life sciences, manufacturing, and media, where data intensity meets business impacts, Managed Lustre is proving invaluable. In pharmaceutical research, AI-enabled molecule modeling relies on parallel file systems to provide the IOPS and throughput necessary to maximize the performance of AI applications, simulating interactions between molecules and predicting drug effects. For high-resolution images and video processing in media and entertainment, such as medical imaging analysis or autonomous driving systems, Managed Lustre provides a high-performance, persistent file system that allows for fast data loading to accelerate application performance.
Yeah, and Santosh, and one question that may often come up is about the future proofing investment. How does Managed Lustre handle training, checkpointing, and inferencing? Currently, training is the dominant use case, where Managed Lustre truly shines, providing the high performance data platform needed to train large scale AI models. Its efficient checkpointing speeds up development, cuts costs, and improves reliability. We have seen checkpointing run about 15 times faster compared to other object store solutions, directly translating to better GPU utilization and faster results. While inferencing can be more cost sensitive, the technology can certainly be leveraged across all three phases of the AI lifecycle.
Yes, Asad, and the operational efficiency and ease of use are huge in this. The fact that this is a fully managed offering makes Lustre much more accessible to a broad range of customers and industries. You don't need specialized expertise to deploy, scale, or maintain it. Google Cloud handles deployment, scaling, and maintenance, freeing your team to focus on innovation. This contrasts sharply with the traditional complexity of managing Lustre deployment yourself. It means organizations can confidently build on the same proven technology that NVIDIA has trusted exclusively for their internal clusters since 2016.
That's awesome. And this capability allows organizations to deploy production AI application in weeks instead of months, reducing the wait times and speeding up time to insight for AI application in Google Cloud.
This new offering means customers across the industry, whether they are traditionally high quant companies, banking, financial services, healthcare, life sciences organization, through to AI native organization, can now take advantage and adapt this service, which is more easily available to drive their AI initiatives.
Thank you, Santosh. I'm really excited about this release and the impact it will generate. And now with that, Samit and Sven, let's dive into the specifics of the solution itself.
Thank you, Asad. To recap, the core of this offering is Google Cloud Managed Lustre, powered by DDN's Exascaler Lustre. This isn't just a service, it's a high-performance, fully managed parallel file system that's purpose-built for AI, ML, HPC, and any workload that's sensitive to I/O performance.
That's right, Samit. Our Exascaler distribution is a production-hardened, enterprise-grade foundation. It enables parallel file system performance with exceptional throughput, low latency I/O, and linear scalability, which is essential for AI and HPC workloads. DDN's expertise in Lustre architecture, including the separation of data and metadata services, helps eliminating bottlenecks, especially for small I/O operations common in AI workloads with text files or small images.
And this solution offers seamless integration with the broader Google ecosystem. It works directly with Google Compute Engine, Kubernetes Engine, and cloud storage for end-to-end data intelligence workflows. We have also built in capabilities for secure scaling and support for cloud storage bulk import and export APIs, which makes it very easy to move datasets to and from cloud storage. For GKE deployments, we offer CSI driver support. The system also integrates with our cluster toolkit and supports Slurm.
The architecture itself is very robust. It consists of metadata servers, MDSs, object storage servers, OSSs, and a scalable pool of object storage targets called OSTs. These components are fully managed by Google Cloud, abstracting complexity while delivering parallel I/O performance, traditional available only in on-prem supercomputing environments. Managed Lustre provides a POSIX-compliant file system, which means customers can migrate their existing Lustre workloads without re-architecting their applications.
And we've also introduced flexible pricing tiers to support diverse workload needs, whether they're capacity oriented or focused on extreme performance. This makes enterprise-grade Lustre available and affordable across various project sizes, starting all the way from our lowest tier at 14 cents per gigabyte per month, supporting up to 8 petabytes of scale and 1 terabyte per second of aggregate performance at that scale.
We've designed this for maximum performance and efficiency. For example, a 100 TB managed Lustre instance can provide 100 GB per second aggregated throughput across all its clients, with individual A3 or A4 VMs delivering over 20 GB per second. A key advantage of Lustre is its ability to perform synchronous checkpointing while boosting GPU utilization and simplifies recovery. Our internal studies show that current Lustre checkpoints run about 15 times faster compared to other solutions, ensuring rapid recovery in the event of failures. This directly impacts your TCO by minimizing idle GPU time. Lustre also supports GPU direct storage, allowing data to bypass CPU memory and write directly to GPU memory for faster, more efficient transfers with zero copy or DMA.
We are thrilled to announce the general availability of Google Cloud Managed Lustre. It's now globally available and accessible in multiple Google Cloud regions with simplified provisioning through the Google Cloud console and APIs. This combination of Google Cloud scalable infrastructure and DDN's leading Lustre expertise offers customers the most complete, scalable, and high-performance AI data infrastructure available.
Thank you, Samit, Santosh, and Sven, for that comprehensive overview. It's clear that the synergy between Google Cloud and DDN brings unparalleled capabilities to the AI and HPC landscape. For more information, please visit our joint solution page or speak to a technical expert. We encourage you to explore Google Cloud Managed Lustre and see how it can accelerate your AI and HPC journeys.